Recording this session. All right, thank you very much for joining. My name is Iremide Olatunji. I'm the founder of Data Analytics Elite. I am a certified Microsoft Data Analyst Associate. I also am skilled in SQL. I took the Akarank SQL certification exam from beginners to advanced. What else can I do? I think I'm very much skilled in Excel. I'm skilled in Power BI. I'm skilled in SQL. And I write a bit of code here and there. I've built like 4 web applications in the last 1 year. I'm skilled in Node.js and JavaScript, which is back-end engineering. So I'm a data analyst and I'm looking to transition full-time into software engineering. So that's all about Iremide Olatunji. And I'm the founder of Data Analytics Elite. With my experience in data analytics over 5 years, I've decided to build a community of people that are passionate about data analytics, and let's see how we can equip other people with this transferable skill and help them become better, help them build a thriving career in data analytics. And I am not doing this on my own. I have a couple of friends that are skilled in data analytics as well, that have teamed up with me, and then that is what forms the Data Analytics Elite community. We say we are a community of highly skilled data analysts who have the experience in Excel, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, and Python, and we are focused on mentoring aspiring data analysts with these tools. So thank you very much for joining. I would like us to unmute. Let's learn from each other. This session is actually going to be very much interactive. So I'd like to hear from you. Tell me about you, what you do, your level, the skill that you are familiar with, in data analytics. So I'll start with Sunday. Sunday, are you ready?
Yeah, good evening or afternoon rather.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm Sunday Amo by name. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
I'm Sunday Amo by the name, and I'm also a data analytics specialized in Power BI and Excel.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's have Francis. Francis Odede, are you ready? Samson Lukman, get ready. Oladipo Abdul Malik, get ready. We are just introducing ourselves. All right, Francis, you have the floor.
Yeah. My name is Francis Odede. Um, um, I'm an architect. Also, let me say I was an architect in Nigeria. At the moment, I manage a company in a cleaning company in Finland. Um, I'm hoping to transition into data analytics. I work with Excel, Power BI, Tableau, a little bit of SQL. I'm hoping to learn Python from you. So
Great.
that's that for now.
Nice, nice, nice. So this is Francis. Yeah, in Finland, right?
Yes, I am.
Oh, amazing, amazing. So where you're working, is there any opportunity, maybe remote work? Because we have to like help ourselves. So there are other people on this call too that, if there's any job opening at your place or maybe any organization around you and they're open for remote work. It might not even like maybe sponsor, it might not be like a sponsorship stuff, but where people can work remotely and hand, in foreign currency. Please, you can always, reach out and let's have this opportunity to the community. Is that fine, Francis?
Yeah, that's fine. That's not a problem.
All right. So let's have Lukman. Samson Lukman.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. So,
Good afternoon.
yeah, my name is Lukman Najibola Samson. So, I'm a statistician, and I love to be a full data analyst. So, I'm skilled in Python, Excel, MySQL, and I just want to start learning Power BI, and I'm just interested in having more knowledge in data analytics stuff. So that's why I'm in the community. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, so I'll pick a few more people. Mubarak. Mubarak, please, you can introduce yourself. I'll pick a few more people so that we can move on to the next. Mubarak, please, you can introduce yourself. You are muted. Can you check? You are muted.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Aminu Mubarak. Yeah, I started last year September, so I'm into data analyst, Power BI, Excel. So I'm here to know more about the rest. Thank you very much.
All right, amazing. Nice to meet you, Mubarak. So I'll pick one more person. I think the guys have been speaking. Fuebe Adaku, are you ready to speak? Fuebe,
Yes, good
do you
afternoon.
want to, good afternoon.
Okay. My name is Phoebe Adako Abraham. I'm a pharmacist transitioning into data analyst. And I'm skilled in Excel and Power BI, still upskilling. So I wish to learn more from you guys. Thank you.
Wow, amazing. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for joining. I'll hand over now to the program coordinator. That's the person of Lawal Farouk. Lawal Farouk, are you in a place where you can speak now?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'm here with you, ma'am.
All right, please. You have the floor. Thank you.
Okay. How are you doing, everyone? How are you doing, Francis? How are you doing, Sunday? How are you doing, Phoebe? How has been your day?
Mic check. Can you share your screen so that we can see your face?
Okay, my face.
Yeah, so that we can put, a face to the name.
Okay. Can you see me now?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so I am Lawal Abdulaziz Farouk. I'm a data scientist looking to transition into AI. So I'm the project lead for this event, this project building. Can you hear me, please? You hear me? Can you hear me, please?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so basically, I will just be introducing us to the event. So the event is about building projects. Building projects. One of the basic things to upskill nowadays is building projects. So you have to have a vast experience in projects, not only tools, not only SQL or something, but a project that would pivot your experience. Do you understand it? So that's what Data Analytics Elite is bringing for us, a platform for you to build projects with world standard projects. So world standard projects, our projects are world standard, trust me. So that's just it. And the benefit of projects, you having projects, it's going to make you showcase things in your what do you call it, in your portfolio. So to showcase in your portfolio, and then it helps you in jobs interview. Basically, in job interview, instead of interviewer interviewing you, you'll be the one to, like, you have what to showcase to them. Is everyone with me? Am I not the only one talking? Okay, so basically that's what we'll be doing. So we have different groups. We have the SQL track, the Excel track, the Power BI track, the Python track, and we have two levels: intermediate level and the advanced level. So if you are for the intermediate level, I'll be sending a message to the chat. So join your respective levels. And one person is not expected in two tracks or two levels. So you have to join. If you are going for Power BI, join Power BI either intermediate or advanced. You can't join Power BI intermediate and also advanced. There's a system to check that before entering the groups. So if you find you falling into that, we would remove you from both. And I think we wouldn't like that. Are you going to like that?
Actually, no.
We won't like that. So regards to that, that's just what I have for you. So Irem, they will continue with you now while I send the meeting, the group's links to the chat. Irem, you have the floor, ma.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you so much. I don't know if maybe some other people, I don't know, maybe they told me this meeting might be for so long, but it's not going to be for too long. We just want to interact with each other, know each other, and then get started to building project, right? So your project questions will be dropped this evening, latest by 9 p.m. It will be dropped this evening, and you have till 20th of March to submit. It's actually like a detailed project, so it's gonna take a while for you to read through and understand it and then answer correctly and try to build, to specification and not just build for building sake. So you have to ensure that you cross all your I's and T's and make sure that everything is right. Right. So you have till 20th of March to submit the project work. So Lawal, please can you help with Excel Intermediate? Can we just have the Excel Intermediate link? So for those of you that want to build projects in Excel, please join the Excel Intermediate link. Please join the WhatsApp community for the Excel Intermediate. That is where the project work will be dropped and every other communication will be in that group. So for Lawal, please.
Okay, ma. I'm working on the. I'll be dropping them one by one. So I think I've dropped for. Okay, I'm muted. Okay, I'm not muted. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, please?
Yes, we can hear. I think you dropped for everything. It might be a bit confusing that way.
Okay. I dropped for Python, Tableau, and SQL only right now.
Okay.
So I'll be dropping the
Can you,
remaining two
you
now.
know what? Can we only have the intermediate group since we are not so much?
Okay, intermediate groups.
Yes, let's have just the intermediate groups.
Okay. So I'll be sending the messages now.
Yes,
so the
so
first
you
one,
can.
I'm dropping one now. It is. Can everyone see what I'm doing? Please, can you confirm in the chat if you are seeing what I'm typing, please?
Not at all, not at all. I can only see the groups, the one that you dropped before. The Excel project group 1, Power BI, Python, Tableau, SQL. So for those that are just joining now, please, we are going into our respective project groups WhatsApp group. So please don't join two groups. Please don't join two groups. Right, we're supposed to have like the group is in two phases, one for intermediate, one for advanced. But because we are not so much and we really want you guys to work as a team, we will pen the advanced for now and just work with the intermediate team. Yeah, Oladipo, your hand is raised.
Oh, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Very sorry, but it seems I've got the answer now. So I wanted to ask if I later found out, for example, I found the intermediate group. I later find project. I would like to explore more than that. You understand? So and I want to join the probably the advanced group also. So is there a room for change?
Wait, I didn't get you. You want to join which one?
For example, you said there are two groups, right? One is for the intermediate level, and the other one is for the advanced level. For example, I did not probably a group, probably level. Let me say the intermediate, and I find out that my level is actually more than the intermediate. Because I'm just I'm a let's say newbie here. I don't know how the intermediate level is and how the advanced level is. So I now find out that the intermediate group is a bit I find it a bit less than what I'm expecting. Will I be given a room to join the advanced class?
Okay, yeah. So you can only join a new group at the beginning of the month. So like we are doing now, right? So by next month, April, we'll be having another session like this. So then if maybe you join the intermediate and then now you feel that you've gone to a level, you can now join the advanced. You understand? So you can only join a new group at the beginning of a month.
Okay, thanks
Okay,
a lot.
can I go on that about what he asked?
Yes, you can.
So basically, if you have less than 2 years experience with any of the tools, you are expected to go for the intermediate. But 3 years and above, you are expected to be in the advanced section. Do you get that? But you know, some people used to like, we learn differently. So you might have 2 years. If you feel like you have 2 years experience and you are above intermediate, you can just go for that. But basically, how the questions are set is like 2 years, less than 2 years experience intermediate, above 3 years advanced. Do you get that?
I got that. Thanks a lot. I'm very good.
All right. So can you drop the group links again, please? Can we just do intermediate? Just intermediate right now. Excel intermediate, Power BI intermediate, SQL intermediate, Tableau intermediate, Python intermediate. Please don't join two groups. If you are in Excel level and then you want to build projects in Excel, join the Excel group. If you are in Power BI level and then you want to build projects in Power BI, join Power BI. If you are in SQL and you want to build projects in SQL, join SQL. If you are in Python level, you want to build projects in Python, please join Python. Let's not join different groups. If you do Excel now and next month you feel that, oh yeah, I want to go more, you can join Power BI in our next onboarding section in April. And then by May, you can, join new groups at the beginning of the month. But now just decide on one, stick to that one, and let's just build projects with that one for now. Right? So please, which one did you send? I haven't sent anyone, Lawal. Please, I think we are waiting.
I've sent all, but then with the rules, like group 1 is for intermediate and group 2 is for advanced. So for all these tracks and levels, I've sent all of it. So please, let's just do well to navigate our track. Do you understand, everyone?
Okay, I think some people just joined in. Some people just joined in. Let me just assist to compile the list again. Okay, I can see that some people are joining on the WhatsApp groups. Please, we are waiting for everyone. Once we have all been accepted into our groups, we'll end this meeting. So, Lawal, please let's accept people into the groups. If you are just joining and you don't understand what's going on, please, you can unmute and ask questions. Let's tell you what we've done before you came on board. Please, if you have any questions, please ask. Yeah, hi, mic check.
Hi, darling. Yeah, please, I'm joining the Excel Project 1 group. That's a beginner, right?
Yes.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So I'm resending the group links again. Okay, please, you are just joining. If you have any question, please ask me. You can put it in the chat box. Olajibuko, your hand is raised. Please, you can unmute and speak. I've sent all this thing.
All right, thanks a lot. So before you mentioned that we can join both Python and another thing at the same time. So I've already sent a request link to the a request to that Python group. But later for that, I would like to join SQL instead. Understand? How can I go about it?
Okay, you sent a request to Python. Let me check. What's your name? Is it Abdul Malik?
Abdul Malik is my name.
So I should remove you from Python.
Yeah, sure. Thanks a lot.
All right.
All right.
Okay, you have been removed. So let's see Excel project 1. We are looking at for those in Excel. We have about 2 people in Excel. 2 people are in Excel.
I've
We have
already
1,
sent
2,
the
3,
request.
4.
Did you get me on it?
To which group?
The Excel project one.
Yeah, all requests have been granted. I'm here.
Okay. All right.
I'm here with my phone, and
Okay.
then we are checking. So please let's ensure that you are already in the group that you want to be in. Please let's ensure you are in that group already. Please let me know if you are all in the groups.
Yes,
are you
I
all
am.
in your groups now?
I
Okay,
am, yeah.
great. Are we all Sunday, Francis, Samson, Queen, Fuebe, Peace, Tommy, Oladipupo, Mubarak, Martins, Anoluwapo, Oreoluwa, Oluwatomisin, Christopher? Let me know if you are in your group now.
I can't find any link, please, to join.
So you want me to resend the link?
Yes, please.
All right, so I'm doing that. So the link has been sent again.
All right.
Peace, you went to Power BI group too. Let me check. Can you join Power BI group 1? Are you sure? Can you join Power BI group 1 instead? Okay, great. All right, I can see that we are all joining. Lawal, please keep accepting them in. Accepting them in. But I can see that we are all joining. So
Okay,
the thing is, the next phase for me here is, now that you've joined your respective groups, we will pair you up in the chat, on the WhatsApp group, so we can pair 3 people together to work, because I believe in working as a team, sharing knowledge together. I might know something you don't know, I can teach you. You might know something I don't know, you can also teach me, right? So this is going to be collaborative. We don't want it to, it's not actually competitive, right? It's actually more collaborative than being competitive. The goal is we want to learn from each other's knowledge. We want to learn from each other's experience, right? So we'll pair you up in the group randomly. So I can just pair 3 people together, 4 people together. So that will be your project group, right? So once the project question will be sent to you latest by 9 p.m. tonight. So be on the watch out. Latest by 9 p.m. The project question for all the groups will drop. Then you know the people you are working together, right, to build the project. So, like I said, submission date is 20th of March. We are giving you enough time to get to know each other, relate with each other, and then work on the project together, right? And then when we come in April, Martins, please, can you mute your mic?
Right.
So that when you come in April, right, we can show you how to add this project to your portfolios and show prospective recruiters that these are the things that we have done. And then you also have experience of working in a team, being a team player and working collaborative. So it's just for you at the end of the day, right? So let's join our respective groups. Like I said, you'll be paired with other people in your groups. Let's try to be collaborative and not competitive. However, if there's anyone in your group, because this project build is not where somebody will not be teaching somebody Excel, right? It is expected that you've taken a skill, whether you learned on your own or you went to a data school to learn. You've learned the Excel, you've learned the Power BI, you've learned the SQL, you've learned the Python already. So at least you have more than at least fundamental knowledge about these two. Not someone that you're talking about pivot table in exam. The person asking you, so what is pivot table? What does it do? Right? You don't need that kind of person to drag you down. You need people that they have some level of knowledge in the tool that they've applied for. Right? So if you find anybody in your group that has no knowledge, please advise them to go and take a course. Advise them to take a course with DAELI to come and register. and don't even allow them drag you. Just take them out of your group straight up, right? Because we don't want to drag ourselves back with someone without knowledge. So this is not a place whereby you come and start learning the Excel. You should have learned the Excel. We are coming here to apply our knowledge, right? Not to start learning fundamentals. So let's look out in case we pair you with somebody like that, unknowingly or this thing. Please flag the person up. Let us know this person does not have skill. Then we can speak to the person and encourage the person to take a course and get skilled. Then the person can always come back to the project build to now build project. So having said all of that, that is all from me, right? So you'll be seeing me and Lawal more on your WhatsApp group. You'll be interacting with us more, and we hope that this project build that we started will actually advance into something more great, will advance to something more beautiful, will help a lot of people get jobs both within Nigeria and also overseas by just showing the project that they built from this platform. Having said all of that, thank you very much for joining. You can now leave the groups, you can leave the call. If you are just joining, you have any question, I will stay back for a while for you to ask me any question. So if you are here and you have any question, I'm stopping the recording right now so that you can feel free to ask me any question. Thank you.